Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Chase to PayPal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a PayPal, either on your PC or on your mobile device. And once you log into your account, what you need to do is head over to the wallet option on the top bar. And once you're inside your wallet, here you'll be getting an option that says link a new card, or you'll be seeing an option that says link a new card or bank. Simply click on it or tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be provided with two options, that is link a card or link a bank. You can select either one of those, and once you select it, just assume you just selected the card option. Now what you need to do is either select the card is debit or credit, and then enter in your credentials like debit card or credit card number, the card type, expiration date, security code, and billing address as well. And once that's done, tap on link card and you will successfully link your Chase bank debit or credit card. And once you link the card and head over to wallet, you'll be seeing the option that says transfer money. Simply click on it or tap on it. And once you click or tap on it, here you'll be seeing the options money out and money in. And under money in, you'll be seeing an option that says add money to your balance. Simply click on it, and once you do that, here all you gotta do is enter in your balance, and keep in mind that it will take 3 to 5 business days to complete the process. Once all the things are done, click on next, and you'll be able to transfer money from Chase to PayPal. You can also transfer your money from Chase to PayPal in seconds by your mobile device, in seconds, with your debit card as well, as shown on the screen. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.